So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to start a dropshipping business on Shopee using another website, which is this website Alibaba as your supplier. Here in Alibaba guys this is a business model where you sell products online without keeping any inventory, and then when a customer orders from your store, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier. So why Shopee and Alibaba, guys? Because here, Shopee is a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia, and then Alibaba is one of the biggest marketplace. So before we start, guys, is we need to go to our Shopee Seller Center, and these three steps, guys, is you need to fill in this shop information. The step 2 is the business information, and then submit it. And then once you submitted it successfully, you can now add your product. So going back to this here, you can see here, and then this Alibaba, guys, go back here and then look for the product and then upload it here on your basic information. And now that you have your seller account on your Shopee, you just need to go to the Alibaba and look for a product. For example, so this one is this hot selling pots. So make sure you're choosing a product that are trending or having a good demand in the market, guys. So look for suppliers that offer drop shipping or have low minimum order quantities. For example, to that one, guys, is this one. Save these images, guys, because you need to upload this one on your Shopee Seller Center. And once you've uploaded it, guys, so you can see here, go back to your Shopee Seller Center, and here add at least 3 images, add a video, add at least 100 characters, and here is you need to tap on that one and then upload all the images that you've saved from the Alibaba, guys. So here, after you upload it one, guys, is you will be able to see that. So pro tip, guys, is always communicate with suppliers to confirm they can ship directly to your customers and that their shipping times are reasonable. So after that one, guys, is here you can now see the images that you uploaded. You can also upload a video here, guys, so depending on you. And then after that one is next step is below the product video is the product name. So what you need to do here, guys, is you just need to copy the name from the Alibaba. So go back to the Alibaba, guys, and then just copy it, guys. So you need to do the copy and paste method here, guys. Copy this one, everything, guys. So after you copy that one, guys, is go back again here and then paste it. So, and then after you paste the name, guys, and a category will appear, and then choose which category depending on you, guys. So here I'm gonna choose the pots. So, and then make sure, guys, that the quality the image are high quality. And here is the description. So add a compelling product description in order for you to attract the buyers. So what you need to do here again, guys, is you just need to copy and paste. So here is the product description, the overview. So you can see here, guys, just copy and then paste it again. So you just need to scroll down. So you know, guys, that with dropshipping, customer service is key. So you need to stay on top of your communication with customers by replying to messages quickly and providing order updates. So also, guys, if a customer has issues with the product, coordinate with your supplier for refunds or replacements. So here, guys, is the specifications where you can see here the brand. You will be setting in your all about the product, guys. So depending on you, you just need to fill in all of these options, guys. For example, this is the sales information, the price, which is very important. Here, guys, in the pricing is what you need to do here is remember you need to factor in the cost of the product from Alibaba, the shipping fees, and your desired profit margin. You can also set here if you have a warranty duration. And then after that one is make sure that you will be seeing here in this Alibaba the key attributes, and then it will be depending on you if you put it on your Shopee store. So here is the shipping, as you can see on that part. And after that one is make sure guys that all of the information that you will be putting here is you based it on the Alibaba. So you can see here guys, also guys, by some suppliers may offer branded packaging or custom inserts, so which can give your business a more professional feel. So they also have to ensure that you need to also ensure that your supplier has clear return policies, guys, before you start working with them. And then you can also promote your store on social media platforms like Instagram, TikToks, or Facebook. So here is the sales information. So as you can see in that part, this is the shipping. So you need to, in drop shipping guys, you always need to go to the parcel size and make sure that you have your packaging materials, and then if your item exceeds to the size guys, is you need to contact the customer service. Then after that one guys is going back here on the others, which is the last part, is you always need to choose this yes button guys, because this is a pre-order, because this is what you'll need to do here is a drop shipping, so you need to always tap on that yes. So after that one is the condition, always choose new if your product is new, and then used if it is a second hand. So here just remember all the information here guys, and that's how you can start dropshipping on Shopee using Alibaba. So after that one guys, if you're good to go, you just need to publish this one. So as we covered everything from setting up your store, finding products, and fulfilling orders, remember guys that you cannot dropship a product if you don't have a BIR or a legitimate store, because you cannot proceed here. You cannot proceed to other product if you will not complete to the steps where you will be entering your business information. So here guys, what you need to do here is you will be the one who will order for your customer, and then don't forget to direct them to their address and not on you. So that's how you dropship guys using Shopee and Alibaba. I hope you learned on this video, and then thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up.